Oye mo bibia kwa ba eba Paxword media so. Safe no aba channel so na subscribe no me bell notification say na dey bia de tuma un sabetimi aka straight. So hu ye wa hasia na say issue day. Ana si enya ne tie se Asamoah ekoka asemi wo polino multimedia. Ama akofa ensem bebrebe aba. Mama yenkohwe video no embra.
Dr. Likee. Oh yeah, dear pa.
Okay.
But a onunkuan or yet the oyana.
Oh, Gab.
He's got other people. You know what I'm saying? Okay. He has a team.
Yeah.
I want you to Juma. Okay.
So be on there front line.
What is front line? What is front line? It is a teamwork. It is teamwork, my brother.
Okay. Into Pastor Wadaroma can it be say okay, Dr. Likee in the team and Kumawood with so yes.
It's not true. It is never true.
Okay.
What is he talking about? On the GC as in how? He's working, other people are working. When Likee and Co were doing their thing, the likes of Mercy Siedu and Dems were equally shooting TV series as well. You understand? There were equally other production houses who were also working. You know what I say? And let me tell you something. There is no way an industry will die.
Like the film industry.
How can you say it's dying, it's dead? It's like, what do you mean when you say it's dead?
Said now you had the production like before and like if I said 2020 coming na nekofom pa.
Nekofom na yede. Nekofom, but productions were going on.
Yeah. But the likes of Likee more a pushy man for
pushy how they were doing their bit. Other people were also working. There are production houses in Accra who were equally working. What you say? What I'm trying to say is that if we have challenges as an industry,
it doesn't make it there.
It doesn't make it there.
You ko hear video no ba no wadwen kire ne say. Wadwen kire no fagu comment section ho. Na ye hu wonso wadwen a ewo mu say Asamoah ekasa yi anase wankasa yi. Eno no ko ba sa no. Akabenize team eye Papa Kumasi Shiffo enso be kasa yenko ne yenko ti de omo nso ekan ye.
Quick one, I'm for so Papa. My mom said this one because my mom said you can say liking go for Amoka home.
Sure.
I can say Dr. Likee in the team Amoka home.
Sure.
So because Likee in the team and I movie industry no see her for some time. Likee in the team and I industry no see her for some time. Every then kegu Likee team na I too. Na say obi so be ka say enye omo na nkofo bi na ye na basis level because dem be say all because of nkoma many miracle films dey obo Likee ne mo nyina mamba so say adwuma no top form no mo na mo so mo edu level bi amanfo so be join ne Paulino so ni Asamoah kodi nkomo e ma ne busa the same question Asamoah wanyantum say edu level be kwa mo ko mbe so e ma ne ba be ye say say mo te science sam sa na mo say adwuma mo ye industry ni nyina no ebi mi hu mu say mo ye adwuma na.
Okay, unse sebie so yesi utin seteteti a yinyi teteye. Don't worry, empanyin kasa. The ten say adwuma no I football 11 players but they are back na captain. Obi antimi mo captain band na. Enti na ya kwasentwe na captain. Whether you like it or yes. Trust me.
Let's like in a captain.
Listen. Let's be honest to ourselves. Not because of some many akosi nenam. Not because of akosi menuya way back. Not because of say I am part of akosi. But you and I know say. Let's look at way back. It started with Nkrofo. He came on and Jacob hold the mantle. No? He came on, Kojon Cancer came and hold the mantle. Kokumenu too came. What's in common? Why is it that it's time for akosi? People are saying yo, it's not his time. But trust me, when you go out there. You know when you're in America, what's in common, and so we should accept it, whether you like it or not. Everybody is working. All the actors and actresses are working, busily working. If you were set to matter the year Juma, but trust me, when we say we want a flag barrier, say for movie and a Kumawood, why didn't you anymore?
say Pobi say ombedi okay say flag bearer for the movie industry. Like you know,
Accra for no crowd they know. Yen pem pipemu ni empese ye be we Kumawood no we Gallywood but Ghana trust me for now you can ultimately ni first two and our first one anya Cabernet na obebo ni din ye nam ye hu yete what in common say medical case nyese me ne nam ye nam ye hu yete ye tu kwan what in common say ye nkofo bi a omo ye pandit ni analysis for they will tell you this and this and this. Miracle Forms can tell us, say, I am the godfather of the game. I brought the game here before Biabe joining, and you have taken the mantle. Who are you, and who are you to say, okay, Akosi Ntesa? When a basa, we are not being fair to our brother. Akosi started bandana by, obey bandana by, so a Shatawale. And you think he's not doing something important for our country?
Rasnene was
Dr. way back, and then he's now like Dr. Likee Cabernet. To go back and bounce back, you think it's easy? And somebody to go and come back, no about control it. Do you remember the year Akosentu started say, oh blow? 5, 6, 7 years ago. And I won't count it. And 2 years ago, and 3, 4, 5 years back. And he's holding a mantle and gradually he's getting to 10 years. And you tell me he's not one of the of them are all wave flag now. I don't see it correct. Because trust me,
nobody.
Oh, what are you talking about? Papa J, what are you saying? Huh? What are you saying? First, na jakoni sinimu ani ento. First, kojon cancer ni sinimu ani ento. Ko kumenu ni mu those days na ento. But na ucha YouTube na Cabernet ni mu and fat said you obecha no man no. Let's be real to ourselves. It's not movie to see the cassette. But now when you go to the social media there, he's the king over there, yo. Wow. You can't take it from him, man. That is how it is.
Masaba she say otin san say me say na no obi kasa mu say your time more enti no mo kasa
say nipa no onu ni tirimu na wo ka ne say on say we are say favor egumu awodo say Nyankopon crowd e de nsono mama wo say una wo be leader mo amutu anamo no mo na wo be leader Sabio first and Kumawood gina so eye den na ye killer sem ne ade no na sabi kura no bi nim se Akwasi Antwi kura no bibi se woni mu what ya se Nyankopon se afe na mayiw apie okay obia ni ho a obetimi aye de aso na tade ma atwe na san se Nyankopon na wono na de na ba se sabi se nka me ye namui ye nuafo ye namui ana ye ne Akwasi start Kumawood ye se there be Akwasi kwaja ye nti wo se e ma ne ye ya there be the moment I said unua no wo kɔ nanim no na wo ta na chi no kra na wo kra so wo so kra no hu there is how it de unua no se nyame na pagya no ayi no enyo no ne pɛ na de begya se there be o mi yese ya never enyo no e nyame na pagya no e na du sam pempen so no se wo na edu time se bedi omonim eti enyo no ne pɛ eye wiase nyina na ebo ne din what you say I say ye to aba na ya ka say nipa asumasi mumi enyi nipa asumasi ti say de na papa Kumasi ka say I say boy ye boy anya say ebu okwa onim boss ye say captain and so onu na ye yi ne say o medi ani what you say eti e nuane nya ne pe on say mre bi onu aka say o peso wo jai yes enye aha and so bi tinche obeka say unua no kire ne ho na se bi eye force to be cry bia se bi obi ti ba bi e be kan say ensu de nyame se waka no waka ni pantimi nsisa no da se so wono a ene ka to say time na so ye wati si bebre super wodi mu nyina ba e no madan ye ja ono na ati ya me di super so ne so e no way bi kusi e no way Bob Santo e no way yes omu nyina abako opon mu nyina abako satam ne esusa what you say eti se Nyankopon se o time na aduru na nsonoma no one de ama wo a somo a uni say as I say ye Nyankopon so be sofo na time na aduru a opa ye den se Nyankopon ka se wonye na adwuma a oboa wo so ye na adwuma na nsa na so obeto ne nsa afre wa wato ne nsa afre ti nyame na apagya no enye ono ne pe say be a say and I say onko jina baby so nka say be a me na me ye leader e wa ha there be enkrofo wiase nyina and you know say akosi de wuye and oba ye so onye obi a oye didija
onye selfish
there be enye nsem bebre ne be ba betena ha aka ye ka se ye ka nsem a anka akwasi sabi o meme ne nam Kumasi nim mo aye bebre ama me
o ma waka akra
what you say why ye bebre ama me what you say enye se bia me nua no why ya de boni bia na say why ya de a enye bi what you say time no na aduro emre na so nyame na ayi no se nsono ma no ye mfa nto so na me na aye ne saa what you say ti so okọ nanimu a sabi ye nua mo na obi a mu di kan mo bia mfa ne support nye de eso nta chire na ye nyina no say wo de support ne ta unua na chi a usukure bi kan what ya yakọ ba bia yakọ act na say yakọ ba bia yanka ye beka Kumawood what ya say
ka say enu ye ko ba bia o mo si Kumawood fo aba Sunday no ya ma obi ani no so si Kumawood fo aba ha
se nipa tu kura na say sen ba akokura ne nam a wo ko pie ba bia nipa domo no Kumawood fo sa eye title a edaho yes eye title a edaho ma artist bia o se bi owo Kumasi ana o Ghana ha enti so kodu ba bia ye beka ye mo ni den foforo ye mo na bodin bia foforo Kumawood ana ye beka
wo hwe Kumasi ne Shiffo video no wie no omo nso e kasa yi ana so man kasa yi obetimi de wadwen kire no agu comment section ase safi na aba channel so ana subscribe se na de bia ye do tuma so betimi aka no straight makram bye bye